how to view message requests on a messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view message requests on messenger Lite. First thing, go to messenger Lite and then just click this settings icon in the top corner. One click and then here you will find message requests. Click on it, and as you see here you can view your message requests on messenger Lite, and I don't have any message requests, that's why there is nothing here. And that's it. That's how to view message requests on messenger Lite, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.